Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Semrush for keyword research and monetization. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Semrush website. Create an account if you don't have one yet. Log in to your Semrush account. Once logged in, you'll find the main dashboard. Look for the keyword research section on the left sidebar. Click on Keyword Overview. Enter a keyword or phrase relevant to your niche in the search bar. Select the appropriate database for your target audience. Click the search button to analyze your keyword. Review the keyword overview report that loads. Check the keyword volume to understand the search demand. Note the keyword difficulty percentage to gauge competition. Scroll down to examine related keywords. Look for long-tail variations that may be less competitive. Add valuable keywords to your keyword list for further analysis. Next, navigate to the Keyword Magic tool. Input your main keyword into the search bar of the Keyword Magic tool. Click the search button to generate keyword suggestions. Filter the results based on metrics like search volume and difficulty. Explore the various categories of keywords listed. Select keywords that align with your content strategy. Add your chosen keywords to a project or list for easy access. Once you've gathered a solid list, consider the monetization potential. Research each keyword's commercial intent. Look for keywords associated with products or services. Analyze the competition in paid search for those keywords. Decide the best strategies for monetizing your chosen keywords. Use these insights to develop targeted content. Create blog posts, landing pages, or videos based on keyword research. Monitor your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.